Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course, guys, this will be a quick one. I'll be showing you how to easily organize your home screen. And of course, this is a tip just to save time. All right. So let's say, for example, here you have your home screen, and as you can see here, I have my apps all over the place. And let's say I want to, for example, move apps around. So let's say I wanted to move this wallpaper app over here. I'll long press, and then I'll move this over, and then I'll drop the app. That was the normal method, and I'm sure that's the one that you're using, but there's a one or methods here that can actually save you a significant amount of time. All right, so let's, as usual, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to move several apps from this page over to here all in one move. All right, so what you can do here, guys, is simply go ahead, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to long press this up. I'm going to wait until I get the app jiggle, so I'm going to keep on holding. What I can do here is I'm going to choose several other apps to move with this. So I'm going to move WhatsApp, so I'm going to touch that. Notice it says 2 there. Sorry about that. The 2 is kind of hidden, but of course you can tap while that one is jiggling. And of course what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all my social media apps here. Do not worry, you're not grouping them as one. What's happening here is that you're actually moving multiples at once. So I'm going to move this one as well, and I'm going to move this, and I'm going to move that. All right, so as you can see here, I have 6 apps under the one move. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to move it over here, then I'm going to move this up here, and I'm going to let go. Notice now they didn't group together, but what has happened is that I've moved all 6 together. You can actually use this to more efficiently organize your home screen. I'm sure when you're organizing your home screen, it can take a long time. This will significantly reduce the organizational time. All right, guys, Ricardo Gardner again from Blog Tech Tips, showing you a way you can easily organize your home screen. All right, Ricardo Gardner saying bye until next time. Bye.